Heading towards the weekend, a lot of talk has been around a potential snowstorm for mainly into Sunday. So I'll walk you through what we're seeing here in the Weather Center, what the long range models are looking like, and what you can expect as we head into that weekend. Now, what we do know is there's still a lot up in the air. Snow will be likely Sunday. What we don't know yet, exact amounts, what that could look like. The track's still pushing further north, and we are going to continue to monitor that here in the Weather Center. And I will continue to update videos as we get closer to the weekend. I'll show you what track 1 is looking like. We are going to see this system staying more towards the mid-Atlantic, giving us less snow. As that continues to push in into Sunday morning, we will see lighter snow chances, and that will actually push more towards, again, that mid-Atlantic track, staying further south, and actually wrapping up a little bit faster into early Monday morning, right around midnight, so we won't actually see a whole lot of snow. Now, that was with our GFS model. So really only going to see a potential of really a 3-inch of snow. Really, that is what that's showing right now. Again, snow totals are really hard to nail down this far out, but that is what that current track is showing for that higher snow to stay further to our east, going more into a western or central to eastern Pennsylvania. As we look at track 2, now you can see further northern placement already into that track. Now, this track already starting more so into the Midwest, that goes straight up into the Appalachian Mountains, and that is going to give us the heaviest snowfall moving forward. You can see that already indicated with those darker blues. So that takes that track straight up north into us, and that goes straight into the Northeast. So you're already seeing that impact, but take a look at the timing. It's already Sunday at 12:30 p.m. It sticks around a while. That's going to be a much slower track. Even still Monday around midnight, we still have light snow accumulation still moving through, and that will continue to move on through. Now, that was with the European model, already showing still some snow around. We are seeing still 1 to 2 inches here in the area, but this will actually show because of the longer time this model sticks around and how it goes further north and it has a more direct route. You're going to see that brings in higher snow totals again through the day. That puts us at an 8 to 12 inch total from, so really 6 to about 10 inches adding to those snow totals. Again, we could see this change drastically day by day. Even starting on Tuesday, we were seeing this not even touching our area. So things can drastically change day by day, model run by model run. But these are just some of the things we are watching for. But as we've gotten closer and closer, both these models have started to show at least some trend of moving further north. What the biggest differences right now are really just how much snow we are going to get. Just as a reminder, we're at that 4 to 5 day range. So what I'm looking at when I'm looking at the forecast is that consistency. Right now, I do know that confidence is increasing for those snow totals. We have a lot of moisture in our atmosphere, and combined with those cold temperatures, we are going to see that increase in an upward trend of some of those snow totals. I could see a higher increase for 2 to 3 inches, and we're going to see that as a major player for Sunday. The general timing and the mapping is still up for debate. That's why I'm showing you different scenarios of what we could be seeing. So keep that in mind. Make sure you are prepared for any of those scenarios. And of course, your Storm Team 27 meteorologist will make sure you are prepared going into the weekend. And of course, stay up to date on air and online. We'll have you ready to go heading into whatever is in store for us this weekend. Reporting for Storm Team 27, I'm meteorologist Hannah Erdman.